really cool. So as a present for my 17th birthday, my mom took me to get a pierce as a present. It was like a quick little clank. It only hurt if I bumped up against something, but other than that, because I got this cooling spray. It was like sea salt spray or something, and I would like spray it on my belly button like a few times a day, and that really helped me. Well, because I had that spray to go on it, it really helped me a lot. I believe I could have gotten an infection if I didn't have that, so I was very grateful, and it helped me heal. I love it how, like this, I can wear a simple black outfit and the belly ring does all the talking for you. I would tell them they definitely should get the special spray for it to make sure they don't get an infection, but it's really not a big deal at all. It's a great first piercing.